Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two popular robot vacuums that are equipped with advanced features to make your cleaning routine a breeze. In one corner, we have the iRobot Roomba 694, and in the other corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. Let's dive right into the comparison and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The iRobot Roomba 694 is priced at $274, while the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop comes with a higher price tag of $699. It's important to consider your budget when making a purchase, but keep in mind that higher-priced models often offer more advanced features. When it comes to cleaning performance, both the Roomba 694 and the Shark AI Ultra excel in their own ways. The Roomba 694 features a 3-stage cleaning system that lifts dirt, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors. It also has a focused cleaning feature powered by iRobot's patented Dirt Detect technology, which allows it to detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction power and sonic mopping capabilities. It uses Matrix Clean technology to clean using a precision matrix grid, ensuring that no spots are missed. It also has a self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and directly engages hardwood floors, making it perfect for homes with pets. Both the Roomba 694 and the Shark AI Ultra come with advanced navigation and smart features. The Roomba 694 is equipped with a full suite of advanced sensors that allow it to navigate under and around furniture, along edges, and prevent falls downstairs with Cliff Detect. It can be controlled using the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant, allowing you to schedule cleanings and control it remotely. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra utilizes 360 degrees lidar vision to quickly and accurately map your home, adapting to everyday changes. It also has a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, eliminating the need for additional purchase of disposal bags. Battery life is an important factor to consider when choosing a robot vacuum. The Roomba 694 offers a runtime of up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra's battery life is not specified in the product description. It's always a good idea to check the manufacturer's specifications for accurate battery life information. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here are the overall assessments of the two products. And that wraps up our comparison between the iRobot Roomba 694 and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. Both products have their strengths and unique features. The Roomba 694 offers thoughtful cleaning suggestions, a 3-stage cleaning system, and adaptability to multiple floor surfaces. Meanwhile, the Shark AI Ultra impresses with its incredible suction power, sonic mopping, and precision home mapping capabilities. Ultimately, the choice between these two robot vacuums depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. If you have any questions or suggestions for future comparisons, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.